Hey guys, it's Stacy here. Welcome to my channel, Life's a Project, where I like to share my everyday life projects with you. So I'm really excited. Today's project is harvesting some peas. I've seen that I have plenty to harvest. I planted them back in March. And here in Kentucky, Zone 6, it is windy out here. So I thought I'd just jump in here with my little harvest basket, a nice sharp set of pruners, and start cutting these peas from the vine. So I had 2 square feet of space to plant my peas. I planted 2 different types. The ones on the left were just called sugar snap peas. The ones on the right were sugar daddy peas. Both are a stringless type of pea that you can eat, both the pea and the pods. You can eat the entire thing. They have edible pods. Now I still find that they have strings, but I just remove them. It's no big deal if you want to eat the entire thing. It won't hurt you a bit. So you want to harvest sugar snap peas when they're young. It makes them more tender and sweet. If you wait, they'll get kind of tough. Now you don't want to do it too early because then they'll be like flat pods that look like snow peas that will not be mature enough. You want to wait until their little peas start to enlarge and they kind of swell and you have more of a plump pod. So you want to not do it too late but not too early. Now when you're growing peas, you'll need some type of trellis because they like to, have these little tendrils and they climb. So you want to have some type of trellising system. So I have 2 of these metal obelisks that I purchased from Hobby Lobby last year and I just love them. They work fantastic in this situation because these peas only grow, a couple of feet tall, and so they work perfect for that. So unless you're growing some type of dwarf peas like Tom Thumb dwarf peas that I grew earlier this year in hanging baskets, and if you missed that video guys, go back and check it out. Those don't need any type of staking or trellising, but these certainly do. So I planted anywhere from 12 to 15 peas in 1 square foot of space because I put 3 peas on each side of the trellis and then a few in the center. Not all germinated, but several did germinate, especially the sugar daddy peas had way better germination than the regular sugar snap peas on the left. So I like to make my cut right above that calyx, which is the upper portion of the pea that connects the pea to the plant. So it looks like a little hat or a cap. So guys, here's our harvest. I'm really excited about this. I can saute this up, a little butter, olive oil, salt and pepper is going to be really yummy for dinner. So guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. I hope you will subscribe to my channel. I thank you so much for spending your time with me. I hope you have a very blessed day and I will see you in the next one. Bye.